Boom! If you're one of the thousands of people that just picked one of these guys up, you're gonna need a case. So I got something for that from Amazon. So that's right guys, welcome to Rick's Reviews. I just picked up one of these beautiful MacBook Pros, 15-inch, fully spec'd out, and unfortunately, I'm gonna need a case for it. So let's pull that to the side. I'm not gonna do a review on this one because Justine and everybody and their mama's doing one. So I'm gonna do one on the case. So here it is. I just got it today from Amazon. This is my first 15-inch MacBook Pro that I've ever gotten, so I needed a case for it. Mosiso case for MacBook series, and this fits all the 15-inch from 2016, I believe, all the way up to this year, 2018. Comes with the case, a screen protector, a keyboard protector. I know that's going to be important because of the dust issue, so I'm really happy about this one, and it has a cleaning cloth for your screen. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I ordered the crystal clear color. They have a variety of colors that you can pick up. So off the bat, it looks pretty cool. I like how they encased it in this plastic. And we're gonna tear off the side here. Let's do this side here. There we go. Man, they really enclosed this guy. Alright, so you just open that up, take that off, and then we have, I guess, the screen protector with a little paper so that way you can get all the air bubbles out. I'm definitely going to put that on my MacBook. I haven't bought one since 2011. And here is the top case for the MacBook. Let's put that there, and then it comes with an ice cube tray. I'm just kidding guys, trash. It comes with a protector for your keyboard, not for your keyboard, for your charger. So you throw your charger in there and it'll keep it protected. That's a cool deal. And again, this one's $14.99, so this is really cheap. And then the keyboard cover, which I am definitely gonna use. This one feels kind of rubbery, so it's kind of cool. And here we go. This is the bottom part right here, and it comes with extra little feet, so in case you know, drop it or something. So that's pretty cool. So that's the bottom cover. Let's go ahead and install this puppy. It's gonna be pretty quick. Here goes the bottom part. Hope I'm doing it right. That's it. And then the top cover. Another plastic I gotta tear off here. I opted for the clear one because I like the way the MacBook looks. It looks beautiful. And I want to go ahead and keep that sheen or shine. Just throw it on like that. Snaps in place. Wow, check that. It's pretty cool. I like it. And it's only $14.99 on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and throw on the screen. Not the screen protector, but the keyboard protector. Oh yeah. Now this keyboard protector is not the best, but it seems very functional. And I don't want dust in my keys, even though they've already updated the keyboard. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and put the screen protector later, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Again, I'm going to put a link in the description below in case you guys want to pick it up. And again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.